Well, here I am, the unboxing of my $2,600 new toy, something I'm completely unfamiliar with, but the end goal and the process to that end goal has me turned on. Musicalorgasms.com might get a little bit more orgasmic and even more multiplication tables. It's a Push 3. It looks like a cardboard box at the moment because I haven't unboxed it yet. So you'll experience this with me as I open it for the first time to look at it and go, what the hell am I going to do with this? And then eventually take on the learning curve. So here it is, my new baby that I'm going to learn how to love. All right, the main unit. There's all sorts of little compartments, probably cables and whatnot. Yep, cables and books and manuals and yes. Here it is though. The Push 3 standalone music production, PA, songwriter, sequencer, optimizer, composer, and so on and so forth. Audio interface device. Gosh, what else? Expression pad. This is it. I'm going to become very intimately familiar with this over the next coming days or whatever the learning curve is. I'm going to take it. It's beautiful. These buttons, they light up different colors representing different things. Oh, I can't wait. Man, this is beautiful. Yes. So the musical equipment that I have is like 25, a little over 25 years old, and at the time, top of the line. But technology moves so fast that something is 2 years old, it's ancient history. I mean, the stuff I got is so obsolete and outdated. A lot of it still sounds good, but the main reason why I wanted to upgrade to the latest and greatest, which this is it, I got the Cadillac package of this thing right here at $2,600. But the reason being is because the old stuff, it's I can do it and I've done it. I've got 6 albums I did on 6 original albums, but it takes forever. It's so tedious. You have to program each and every independent note and arrange it in a way and work with time. It just takes way too long and I'm sick of it. So I'm over it. This is supposed to massively speed up that process, make it more enjoyable. And I come to this with a deep background in music theory. So that's going to be very helpful, I'm sure. And I can't wait to see what I do with this thing. I've already got the next 2 or 3 songs lined up. Musical ideas bouncing around in my head. And my learning curve is going to be figuring out how to take what's in here and put it on here and eventually out into the world where you can listen to it on, well, I guess I need to get into streaming platforms like Spotify and whatnot. In addition to just, my website, musicalorgasms.com, where you can just go and listen to all my music, download it all completely for free because I don't charge. The way that I make my money in this way with this stuff is when you go to YouTube. I got my YouTube plugin on my website, by the way, musicalorgasms.com. When people go there, they visit and they subscribe and they interact with it and so on and so forth, and they comment. It tells the algorithms on YouTube to show me to more people, and click-through ads and things like that are monetized. So that little video, when you're watching videos on YouTube and you'll see like a little advertisement for like 5 seconds. That's how I make money with this ultimately, so I can give it to you guys for free. And I can't wait to recoup this $2,600 investment. It's actually just the beginning. Many more hundreds of dollars on new amps and other new equipment too. But my new workflow workstation thing is going to be centered around this gadget right here. And the learning curve starts now, man. So I can get what's in here out to you. Orgasms everywhere for everyone for free. Yes. Mwah. Stay tuned. There's amazing orgasmic music coming your way.